Why we do all the tests to show everyone and answering the question that a person had 3 questions. That is the firmware was not asked about. What we're going to do is hit the side button and show you the video resolution. If you change the resolutions to a low power mode, okay, low power mode, the icon, I don't see it. I see voice control, audio beep, rabbit, lightning. Video performance, maximum video performance. Extend the battery performance and tripod stationary. That is what we're talking about. Extend the battery performance. Let's shut the camera off. Let's pull the battery out. Let's use this power bank. Can you read it? It says it right there. 2.0 amperage. This is the cable. Plugging it in. My battery is overheating. My Sony is giving me an overheat issue. I never had that problem. Plug this in and hit the record. Let's finish this up with the DJI Osmo Action 4. We haven't hit the button at all. It automatically turns on. We hit the record button, and that is the answer. Enjoy.